Actually, when I was talking to the Vietnamese ambassador here in the Philippines, he joked. Sabi ko kasi, what's the secret of the Vietnam education system? Sabi niya, the Filipino teachers. And so we said, how could that be? And what is happening? There, we sat down with Filipino teachers. Ang sabi ng mga Filipino teachers doon, Sir, dito sa Vietnam, kami ginagalang, binibigyan ng lahat ng suporta, hindi kami pinapahirapan. Kasi dito daw sa Pilipinas, hindi sila makapagturo. Kasi as we've seen in the previous studies, overburdened yung mga teachers natin. Ang dami ng responsibilities nila. Sila ang registrar, sila ang school canteen manager, sila ang gulayan sa paaralan, sila ang school-based feeding program. Sa Vietnam, sabi ng mga Filipino teachers, dito, teachers kami, professionals kami, meron kaming training, hindi kami masyadong hirap, meron kaming support or teaching assistants, meron kaming learning materials. Sa Pilipinas, kami pang gumagastos para mag-xerox ng mga gamit, wala kaming supplies. So the difficulties talaga is what is constraining Filipino teachers from really succeeding.
Okay. So, ayun, maganda yung nabanggit mo about sa Vietnam daw, hindi daw sila overburdened by administrative tasks and other stuff. So it's not just about the money, no?
It's not. Sabi nila sa amin, it's not about the salaries.
Okay.
It's one factor.
One factor.
But it's the working conditions that is more important to us and that we truly appreciate in Vietnam. Kaya kailangan nating ayusin yun.